What's up guys, I'm Ahmed and welcome back to Waqzite. In today's video, we will be adding this kind of realistic snow to a photo inside of Photoshop. If you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template by clicking on the link in the video description absolutely for free. Anyways, let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, first of all, unlock this background layer and convert it into a smart object. Now create a hue and saturation adjustment layer and click on this button. Choose any green color in your photo and click on it. Photoshop will automatically select this color, and all you need to do is to just increase its range and move the slider all the way to the right. Okay, now drag and drop this snow photo into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download this photo from link in the description absolutely for free. Click on this icon to confirm it and change its blend mode to screen. Now for the color grading, let's create new curves adjustment layer. Select red channel and decrease it just like this. Now select blue channel and a little bit increase it. And you are done. You can also change the image by double clicking on this layer. Here you can replace your image. Confirm it and close the document by pressing Ctrl W and save it. And it will do everything for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you won't miss my future tutorial. Be sure to download the project file. The download link will be in the video description. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.